Hey everyone, welcome back to Engineering Pathshala. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning professional resume in just a few minutes, absolutely free, using Canva. So let's get started. A resume is a brief document that summarizes a person's professional background, skills, and accomplishments, typically used to apply for jobs. It's a formal overview of your qualifications, often including your work experience, education, skills, and any notable achievements. The primary purpose of a resume is to convince a potential employer that you are a suitable candidate for a position. To create a resume, we will use canva.com. Also, there are present multiple websites. But believe me, Canva will prove you huge number of templates to create you a professional resume. Or you may go the GitHub link that provided in the description, then download the resume and then edit as your requirement. First, open your browser and go to www.canva.com. If you don't have an account yet, sign up. It's free. Once you're logged in, type resume in the search bar and press enter. You'll see lots of templates to choose from. Now in Canva, scroll through the templates and pick one that fits your style and the job you're applying for. You can preview the templates and choose the one you like best. Click on it, then click Customize this template to start editing. Structure of resume. First, header. At the top, include your name, phone number, email address, and optionally your LinkedIn profile. Second, objective or summary. Write 2 to 3 lines describing who you are, your key strengths, and what type of job you're aiming for. Next, education. Mention your degree, college or university name, years attended, and any key details, like GPA or relevant coursework. Then, work experience. If you have work or internship experience, list your job title, company name, dates, and add 3 to 5 bullet points highlighting your main tasks and achievements. Next, projects section. Especially useful for students or freshers. Include academic or personal projects, explain what you did, and mention any tools or technologies you used. After that, skills. Provide a list of your technical skills, like programming languages, software, and soft skills, like communication, teamwork. Next, certifications, awards, that is optional. Add any certificates, licenses, or awards relevant to the job. Then, languages, shaka hobbies, also optional. Mention additional languages you speak or hobbies if they add value or fill space neatly. Tips. Keep your resume simple, clear, and ideally one page. Use bullet points, clear headings, and check for spelling or grammar mistakes. Remember, keep it clean, clear, and easy to read. Avoid too many colors or fancy fonts. A simple, elegant resume works best for most jobs. Keep to try your resume within 2 pages. Now the fun part. Replace the placeholder text with your own details. Your name, contact info, education, work experience, skills, and anything else you want to highlight. You can change the font, colors, and layout to match your personality or the company's vibe. Once you're happy with your resume, click the Share or Download button at the top right. Choose PDF print for the best quality, and you're ready to apply for your dream job. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more easy tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Good luck with your job hunt. You've got this.